Are you looking for to reset Halifax Online login password? Then you're on the right video. Today I'll be showing you the step-by-step process on how you can easily reset the password of Halifax account. First thing first, move into Safari and in the address bar search for Halifax login. Head over to the very first site. It will land you on this official page. Now click on Login at the top right corner of the screen and wait for a while for it to load. Once the page loads, click on Continue on Website. Now try entering the username or the password for your account. And if you want to reset the password, click on Forgotten your sign-in details. Click on Not Now. It says, what would you like to do? You have to select Change your password and then click on Continue. Now you need to fill up some of the detailed information. First of all, enter your username, first name, last name, and also the date of birth. Once you've entered, tap on Continue. Follow the on-screen process and then you will be able to reset the password of your Halifax account. Once the password has been reset, you will be able to log in into your account successfully. So this is simply how you can change the password of Halifax account. If this video really helped you, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.